So Chelsea share all city in every cup. Any news?
I'm powerful to do.
Any news?
Only teams I'm from Beshomas.
Now, who need team member? Oh, Manchester United team member.
South Manchester is dead. So who would not tell you?
Dear Mamma, need you win the home? A year or more new coach.
Rosenior.
A choir offers or build it in the stats as a manager to the team. Now, and first 11 of the ball game now. Rich, who could you care? Clubs no musia kind in English football. No. Every cup of move in the agro. Every cup a big cup.
No, they're the oldest.
It is the oldest competition. And then Liam in the first 11 and I'm so why not use all better? Because there were a lot of first team players on a normal the almost 30 game, you know. I won a team even though or ball against Hull City. But throughout the game, one thing kept hitting me, sir. The performance of Mamadou Sarr. Who said no only for 4 and a ball 4 and 5. Then I watch him and I'm saying, you see, the major talking point about Chelsea win way, and yet the score line name place no much go. But Rich, the opportunities are. I was a clubs B. It's me the more young players. A very, very important. Rich football it is all even in your football it is all about say obi ehun bibi wo mu no the opportunity to do it. And unti say teams bi wo ho na say omu pe obi amana ba be show mu team momo na omu concentration nyina ye yenkoti sika nkota. I have a big problem with that, especially when you have one of the best academies we are see. Now Enzo Maresca ohono you say one of the main reason why when the club ninya ntawa was that na opeso okoto center back. But Rich, na me be some who say Chelsea are communicating a policy at Abontin. I'm who say they want to build a project with young players across the world. Then why is it that players be said Josh Champion money, Mamadou Samo are not being given the opportunity and the confidence to play in this Chelsea team? Enra, Sanya 95% of the passes are great.
95?
Yes, and defensively he was solid. Oya Accra, untimi mobile into passing speed MBT now. You run. Oya Accra or the physique or so what? Into area situation. Someone in a pempem or be pempemo. Someone in a America or Dobeko. Or Jimbo ni Wiensua. Or the composer to pass and build up from defense. Then I'm saying, and I'm saying, look, a club is a Barcelona. Rich, say I'm a Pau Kubasi the opportunity at age 16, 17. And then come with your traditional name when you are mentioning center backs. People even forget he's 18 years. And go for free because I'm going to say, in the last 2 seasons, for a big club like Barcelona, they are ready to risk it. Right? Me manager back when I'm watching Barcelona is that when people say we are competitive, we are winning trophies, and we win with Fermin Lopez, Lamine Yamal, Daniel Olmo, like club NSA, to win big trophies with your academy players. So unique, so nice. That is how you run football. And Liam Sadi, Akwakito be free academy in bad game. And I think they should give him room. Yes, sometimes coaches be saying, no, Ayala almost face crisis when it is say results in this year. Then they and it would depend so much on the crowd when you could have gone in for the already made players. You know? But you have to know the blend.
Okay.
You have to know the blend. And sometimes, games be saying, and the more the opportunity to give the young class the opportunity, the more almost bet me a bubble game in the And I was very, very impressed with Mamadou Sarr and the area. See a ball game the 4-0 there. It was total dominance of Chelsea, of course. Chelsea the whole city. You expect them to say omo ebetimi e winning. Now, Miri Krano is this picture from the Emirates FA Cup. Almost on Monday, Liam was in the stands to watch Chelsea against Man City in the Youth FA Cup game. Then on Tuesday, about a Premier League game with Leeds. Then on Friday, he made sure say what me Asher Hall City in the FA Cup 4th round or cup name. So he's doing everything with the club, even to the extent say and Grandin Boboa. He goes there to watch not what me Amomo. Solid stats as a manager for Tima, your friend of Chelsea. And the games in the FA Cup, I think say the Dika this weekend. Some few games. First of all, the all Premier League game, Villa, Newcastle.
Okay.
I think it's to be very nice game.
Yeah.
Game rich.
Two teams will be a pet.
Yes, winning ball, and then there's a cup. They think that they can win. Say, and Premier League no pop and a bit me idea. You bet me for a trophy. And this game will be a very, very, very nice game. Villa neighbor fee. But Newcastle about fear, no matter where, no matter competition, you know, say they will come in with a very, very formidable opposition. Then the next game, then I will come 1-7. Liverpool at home to Brighton and Hove Albion. But the entire rankings are game the second to Villa and Newcastle say Brighton are baffled.
Yeah, that's true.
And there's an article from Telegraph. I say, Ocean Brighton and Hove Albion or Mudate or Mudia Jumana. There's a problem with Omu coach, And they will consider changing him for before say I think the Liverpool will qualify to the next round. No, look, City must do the job against South there, Safford there. Also, Jumano. Arsenal also able to against Wigan, and I'm expecting them say Omobetimi. So these are the games in the FA Cup. Rich, there is a big game in the Serie A. Na answer na meka and wasam no. Almost am for anyway. The bia me catch am for say me I grew to love sports journalism because say me gidi say sports are a platform ubetimi use to develop humans. A huge platform and go for any DHA and go for interest in DHA. And it's our first sports platform. So now, okay, so all the make a story, yeah, you have people listening. Rich, this is so beautiful. This weekend games no mobile Serie A. I started anywhere with Pisa against AC Milan. AC Milan winning 2-1. Serie A for say they are using their platform to raise funds. Na fans no mu raise no onim do mo di raise for won say awo Europe omo say United Nations for no omo a refugee agency na refugees no do na a tent camps and omo wo and it's awo ba e na refugees no mo say dem need their papa dem no omo bread, so they are using their platform to raise funds na omo pesika kakra dia koma United Nations refugees for no na omo etimi e are building very, very good structures. No matter cardigans, life jackets, I'm a refugee. I see these things and I become emotional. Using sports platform to do humanitarian jobs. Super. And that is what the Italian Serie A for. These are the games. And I said before we go that, and Milan win here. Into about 54. Which means they are only 4 points away from Inter. Now, Rich, who share this week fixtures now. There is a big game and then you read the San Siro. Inter against Juventus. Inter Milan against Juve. Big one. Inter was on League, you know. They still believe, say, even though our coach Inzaghi John Moko, Saudi Arabia, Christian Shivlaba, on Sunday coach you open the Greek or fighting the league with coaches being said Spalletti, Maximiliano Allegri, any other. But they believe say on which team now Inzaghi a German civil leader, team intact. And that they've shown even till and now say they are the best team in Italy. But Rich, Juve money Milan Emerson Betiase. They believe say okay, you may have the most consistent team in the Serie A. But yes, you see your coaches are more the pedigree to tell you say with Shivu, you bet me a bell round or party him near Seno. And then you read game no super. Now you idea be it is a Kotokone house now. Because there is a big game. Rich, Juve A training then came the presidential visits. Their main man, John Eken, Ebaye, Omo CEO, Kumali, Ebaye, Omo technical director, and so ADHD. Apart from that, Omo director for football strategy, Giorgio Cellini. This week, they've all visited the team. Nti otu sere na ba for am kwati amone ayemfu akosira kotoko adekwaje achia
regional minister Kenny boss o mu nyina akọ training grounds
o se ntoko ni mu ayede and boys ni hia nkranse
na oye player na regional minister ni Kenny boss ka se mu dia mu nhye na Monday ubutum be da
ati enka
message be na de jenwi
message na de ba eduru e be ka mu asem Rich entinya hampo
okay
and I'm paying for me GB say I also want to an amount training ground na omuko encourage Juve for and you say omuko San Siro no their players need to hear certain voices and certain faces e omo training grounds so omo ede ebeye adwuma no according to Sky Italia. Rich omo say enumere this is going to be Inter omo a lineup Soma impose a back three of Bastoni, Akanji, and Bisek. Then two wing backs, you know, of course, Dimarco our left, Henrique our right, because still now Dumfries, Enya match fit. Then in 50 they add their new boy Susek to Petro Zielinski, our very good form with Henrique Mkhitaryan. Na anymore the Lautaro Martinez 14 goals and was set in the Italian Serie A with a striking partner to Ram. According to the same Sky Italia, there is Juventus Omutima Ediberium and Gregorio Kalulu right back, Cambiaso left back, Kelly and Bremer elbow 4 and 5, Lucatari and Cup minus elbow almost city deep and almost in the central midfield. Then the three behind Jonathan David. Gocasio and then Mackenzie and Yildiz and Honum. And this is going to be an annual Juventus formula lineup. Now, Rich, anytime there are two very distinct philosophers. Ebeshia make a 3-back, 4-back coaches. No, and my wow say, who continue to learn on the game. And my game, we say interesting. Because two coaches are say the approach to the game no different. And the 3-back against 4-back, why the best on Yoko? And then a 3-back for no, was almost strength, and then your weakness, and then a 3-back for no. So you will learn these things when you watch games. We say. Now, say the medical cano. We want to quickly come to the Kotoko House game. Rich, Ura Italia. Until there's an upset, Inter in any big game, a favorite. They have the quality, or more the consistency, and game we quite almost say more fear against team I friend Juventus. And only chance you anyway discount Juve because Luciano Spalletti as a new manager, no, they found their new form. Very confident. Games no more bono. Very good. And then you make game no. And game could talk. But I think the same Oscar me the better team a friend Inter so say omo ebetimi aye adwuma no and then you against this very very good Juventus team, but they will come fighting and they very they are game on ebesi akọ me dem anu si kra no un say Barca bebo Monday until we will discuss the Barcelona game Monday when we come and discuss post Kotoko and Haas ewo. But there are games for Real Madrid and then Emmanuel Real enemy me falling in love with Real Sociedad. He was a very very good coach. Now me pede we osi born a ball no. But one chebebre ewo and omasesano. But new coach in the no. Rich, he seems to have turned the fortunes of Real Sociedad. Obejeni say in almost last 4 games of Mabono. Real Sociedad ashemu 4 and Omalusu only 1 of them in their last 4 games. And see, they are coming into this game with very very good confidence. But I take Asembi. Say untimi find your hand in practice whether you find your form or not. Uko benaba on you need to be very very careful, especially when throughout the week there were concerns about Kylian Mbappe.
So
fitness, yes, but Enra with a laughing face he appeared at the training grounds. Bibia there they say and he will play and unim dientia Kylian Mbappe in the presence alone must send shivers down the spine of Real Sociedad. No, Rich. In La Liga, in the last 6 games, was just 7 goals. He is the go-to man for team at Real Madrid. Now, as an update for Real Madrid, first level, Marsa, and Marsa is pro Real Madrid. Marsa say I wish I kept seeing mature in Spanish, and I don't know so much and say from the sofa to the first level, Dani Carvajal, internet Dani Carvajal, which means this from Dario is wrong. Because Massa say on the right, Dani Carvajal, then because Real Madrid midweek next week against Benfica Ninti. Orea Fena Beloa, I and I say Obere State Federico Valverde, Obo match is too much. Right back in Fifi, right back in Fifi. Or Jesus Abranch and Kojina Home. And Fifi Hono will be Chomani Kamavinga, then Ada Goulet as Omuno Martin with Master Antoine, then Kylian Mbappe, then Vinicius back. So that is our Master Air prediction. So probably Valverde will rest, have the energy to come into the game against Tima, your friend of Benfica. Rich, Real Madrid want to keep the pressure on Barcelona. Okay. And Omu winning any game now. Before Barcelona be Monday, they will go on top. Barcelona about Catalan derby away to Girona on Monday, and in derbies, whether you are a big club or not, be able to yes because within the same city and I'm over. So Real Madrid will want to do their job and then go on top of the league and put pressure on Barcelona on Monday. But it will not come easy because when you say Oyaza Beomone, Sulemo, Omoba, they will play a very very good game. But I tip Real Madrid say Omo Ebetimi Aye Juman. Or China, there's a caution. And Sana made him coach na man go for. Rich. Unza let's come and that's Barcelona for.
Jaman for go match on Mesha.
See go for because say omo GDA wo. Their next game they are going away to Real Vallecano. The ambassador can say people should be very very careful about that game. And let's go Madrid. Sano musubaiti.
They flatter to deceive.
And then they will give you good results. Osta say o ji o madina no mako shake and a good amount until you just have to be very very careful about Ochina or more away game now or mobile Real Vallecano no Rich but make sure boss say yenye amano no kese nti yemfensi ha na me man ko for code na yentimi emra efi na yemedi the biggest game on the Ghanaian calendar no yemedi enkom more Muhammad Ali more the voice knows.
Yeah.
After my recordio.
My catcher and this is here.
Until some now need a couple canning.
We are no
more responsible as a Kasai. Yebeti Asama. Rich. You're concluding the same. And then Saturday. So we will start with just 3 codes. Okay. 1 rollover code, then 2 for any games. No. So the rollover code no. BW 3C1 F0046 BW 3C1 F0046. Monsieur na wafa eno ne roll over for today games no eye 2 pe nti na eno so wafa no BW 3C1 F900F and BW 3C2 029E3. Enti ene games ni BW 3C1F 900F and a second one a BW 3C202 9E3 and a roll a BW 3C1F 0046. Oko Usubempa Ayala ewo Exa on Sabeka Kobispa Usubempa Ayala ewo Facebook and Ayala Sports ewo Facebook ni na on Sabeka Oka groups ni on so dia on sa ebitimi akasa course ni na ntu fa na ne wa ma ye nyina ya try ewo ho kotokone house de ne de ye ba be discuss die discuss wi a no ho be ado bet me ko na answer na ni need akubedi nkomo no rich menin